Good morning, children. Welcome to Surya Vidyaniketan, Gindalur. This video for class 8 students biology. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about production of food from plants. Okay, here all living organisms need food for their proper growth. Mainly, we obtain our food from the plants. All organisms need food to get energy. This energy is useful to do work. Okay, here mainly we obtain our food products from the plants. We know that India is a very wide country. It is a subcontinent. So the India has different climatic conditions. We are mainly dependent on agriculture for our foods. Okay, here in the agriculture process, the farmers they cultivate. There are the different types of crops. So what is crop? Crop, the plants which are grown in a large number to get useful food products are known as crops. And the same kind of plants grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, that is also a crop. For example, cotton, paddy, groundnut. So these are the examples for crops. The process of growing crops is called agriculture. Depending upon duration of the crop harvesting, there are the two types of crops is there. One is long term crops and second one is short term crops. Okay, here long term crops. What is meant by long term crops? Some crops takes minimum 180 days for harvesting are called long term crops. Example, jowar, red gram. These are the long term crops. Some crops takes 100 days for harvesting. Such crops are called short term crops. Example, green gram, black gram, etc. Okay, here types of crops depending upon season. Okay, here there are the mainly two types of seasons is there: Kharif season, Rabi season. So in Arabic language, Kharif means rain. Okay, here Kharif crops. What is meant by Kharif crops? The crops grown in rainy season are termed as the Kharif crops. Example, paddy, chili, sugarcane, cotton, etc. are the Kharif crops. Rabi crops, the crops that are grown only in winter season, October to March or April, are generally called as Rabi crops. In Arabic language, Rabi means winter. Example, wheat, maize, coriander, etc. Crop production is based on the flowering of plants. Okay, here crop production is based on the flowering of plants. Okay, the flowers will come out from the plants after certain growth. The plant after certain growth. The flowering of plants also depends upon the duration of night. Okay, here in some plants, when the plant's duration is shorter than 12 and a half hour, the flowering will be more. If the night is less than 12 and a half hour, then the plant gives that more flowers. So these are called short night plants. Example, wheat. Okay, in some plants it takes that more than 12 and a half hour. Okay, the night duration is more than 12 and a half hour. Plants like maize, cotton, flowering will be more when the night duration is more than 12 and a half hour. These are called long night plants. In some plants, night duration is not at all the reason for flowering. They can give flowers anytime during the year. These are called night neutral flowers, night neutral plants. Example, soya bean. Cultivation of crops involves several activities. Here crop cultivation is not a simple task. It involves that several activities undertaken by a farmer over a period of time. These activities are referred as to agricultural practices. One is preparation of soil, second one is sowing of seeds, third one is applying manure, fourth one is facilitate water, and fifth one is weeding, sixth one is crop harvesting, and seventh one is storage. So here crop cultivation, it is not a simple task, it is not a easy task. The farmers, they should follow the various aspects, various activities such as preparation of soil, sowing of seeds, applying manures, facilitate water, weeding, crop harvesting, and storage. Agricultural practices are carried out by either manpower or special tools. Above practices are common for both Rabi, Kharif, and third crop also. We said that only two seasonal crops, one is Rabi crops and second one is Kharif crops. Third one is that is the summer season also we may have cultivated some plants. So thank you one and all.